Hi guys, welcome back to my channel 777 Cosmic Tarot. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Leos. This is your weekly reading, Leos. We'll see what's happening in your love life right now. This is your general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So do not try to fit in, okay? So if you want a personal reading, you can always visit my website. It's mentioned here on the screen. And you can stay in touch with me. My Instagram details are also mentioned here. If you have any queries, you can write it to me there, okay? So let's see what do we have in store for my Leos. So this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And guys, so I would also want to tell you that I post videos in both the languages, Hindi and English. So if ever you come across a video which is in Hindi, don't get confused because I post videos in both the languages in the same channel. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for my Leos. No, what do we have in store? Okay, the first two cards, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Somebody has hurt you, Leo. Somebody has really hurt you. You feel betrayed, you feel cheated. Yeah, somebody literally played you with somebody else. My God, somebody actually juggled you with someone else. See, Two of Pentacles. Now you don't know what to do. What has happened? Let's see what has happened in your love life. This is Six of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. Leos, I think this person, whoever you're dealing with, this person literally did something nasty. This person cheated, lied. This person tried to be sneaky. A lot of hidden things have come out, okay? Maybe you've got to know something and now you don't know whether to accept this person back or not. This person is somebody who could have left you all of a sudden in middle for somebody else in the past. Yeah. You felt ignored with this person. You literally, some of you, you know that this person moved on with somebody else, or you may have found out that this person was with somebody else. This person literally, I don't know, I feel that this person just ignored you brutally, okay, literally. And I feel that now you don't know, you're confused. It is like you're confused between two thoughts, like should I accept this person or should I let this person go? What is this? Chariot. The problem is, Leos, you love this person so much so that you would want to give them a chance, or you would want to see how it happens, what happens. For some of you could be that this person, I strongly see that this person has been juggling you with somebody else, okay? I do see somebody else. You have come in this position, Leo, that you are like, you did this to me, now you wait and watch what I do to you. So you have come in this energy of Queen of Swords and Chariot. It is like you don't want to wait for this person anymore. At the same time, you could be seeking clarity in this relationship, you know. You are like, what do you want to do? Choose one of us, like choose this person or choose me. Like you are being very demanding. I see you very demanding. I don't know, some of you, I literally see you in this position where you are like, choose one of us. I can't wait anymore, okay? I'm done. You cannot juggle me anymore with somebody else. Or could be you are seeking clarity, like where were you so many days? Why did you ghost me all of a sudden? You just left me, no calls, no messages. You know, how can you be so rude? That kinds. Somebody really, you know, this person is somebody, this person just left you. Like I literally feel that this person ghosted you and now they are back. They are back. This person is coming back with an apology, Leos. This person is coming back with an apology. For some of you, I strongly feel that this person is going to face their karma. Okay, and I don't know why I feel that this person already is in this energy, Leos. I don't know, for some of you, I feel that you're dealing with somebody who has wronged you, and this is not the current energy. Yeah, could be current for some, but this has been happening since 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months. I don't know why I feel that here. I'm just getting that thing here intuitively. I feel that this somebody, like, you're dealing. Now this is for some of you. Your person has been hit by karma badly. They left you for somebody, and that person is going to do the same to this person now. So your person is going to face karma, and they are going to come back to you begging and pleading for forgiveness. This person is guilty for how they have treated you, Leo. Yes. See, this person wants a new beginning with you now. Look at this. Page of Cups, World. This person wants to start fresh with you. They want a new beginning. They want you to accept them. So be ready. Either this person has come already, or this person is going to approach you, say sorry. They'll try to crack a conversation. But this person is somebody who did cheat on you. Like, could be. I'm not saying they were very serious with the other person. Could be like this person was involved with somebody else, but that was just to have somebody in their life. Maybe because you were not available to this person. Maybe you both don't meet, or maybe this person is a flirt. Some of you are literally with a flirt. Okay, I do see a flirt energy. So this person is somebody who loves you, but they don't mind flirting with somebody else. So this person did something nasty, and you know it, Leo. So now you're confused. You don't know whether to accept this person back or not. Like, there is a part in you which feels like moving on, but you love this person so much that I see you going back to this person. You still want a start with this person. You're conflicted. At times you feel like giving up on this person. You are like, I'm going to leave this person. This person did this to me. I'm going to give them back. But at times, your love is so strong towards this person that you melt. In spite of having this desire to move on, you somehow stay back. And there is a part in you which feels like giving them a chance. So I still see that this person is going to come back, apologize, chase you. This person will woo you again and win you back. Okay, and I don't know why, I still see that you want a fresh new start with this person. You are willing to forgive this person because you love this person a lot. Let's see still. You feel that it is always you who has been putting efforts in this relationship. 6 of Pentacles. There has not been an equal give and take in this relationship. It's always you investing, but you're done. You can't. Okay, I think, let me see. Page of Wands. I just said, expect a communication. This person is coming to you. This person will either call you or message you very soon. They have made up their mind to come back and chase you, come back and woo you, come back and apologize. I mean, not literally, they won't accept their mistakes, but they won't literally come and tell you that they have done this. But they will try to win you back, okay? This person has made up their mind to woo you back. What are they thinking towards you? Let's see your person's energy now. What are they thinking towards you? What do they want? What does this person want from you, Leo? What do they want? Look at this. The Devil. This person is somebody who is highly attracted to you. A lot of physical attraction. As I said, some of you are literally dealing with a player. This person has been a player in the past. I don't say this person is still, but yes, this person has this player energy attached to them. They were a player in the past, and I think, as I said, guys, this person is going to change. For some of you, this person has already been hit by karma and they're coming back to you. Like this is a new person that will come back to you. For the others of you, they are going through this process already, okay? So it is like whatever they did to you is going to happen to this person. They'll come back to you, will beg for your forgiveness, directly, indirectly, doesn't matter, but they will try to win you back. You know what, this person is very possessive about you, Leos, and they're very attached to you. There is this cord between both of you. Like even if they want to leave you, they cannot leave you. Some of you, you're literally, as I said, you're literally dealing with a player, but a good player, a player who has a heart. I don't see a narcissist, but yes, a player who is like, this is just their trait. They can't, this is in their blood. They try, they want to be loyal to you, but they can't. You know, it is like, you know, some people are born that way. Like it takes time for such people to change. They cannot resist getting close to others. So yeah, I see such kind of energy here, Leos. What do they want from you, Leos? What are they thinking towards you? We'll see what are they feeling towards you, Leos. How are they feeling? Okay. Oh my god, what did I say? Ace of Cups, Knight of Wands. This person is coming back to you. I told you, this person is coming back to you. Look at this. Knight of Wands, Ace of Cups. Lot of passion. This person has lot of passion for you, Leo. Lot of passion. It is like they love you, okay? There is no doubt. Look, we have the Ace of Cups. This is a divine love. It is not, you know, this is a divine connection you are in. It is a real soulmate connection, twin flame connection. I know this person has been in and out. They have a player energy attached. But you know what, guys, I always feel sometimes, you know, God tries to put a player with a good soul so that the player changes in the future. I see that kind of energy. You are such a divine and beautiful soul. So maybe God wants to use you as his instrument to change this person, okay? You never know. This person will change because of you, seeing how you are. Like, you know, there's a saying, if you want a person who is loyal, you be loyal. The other person by default will change seeing you. This is how it goes. So sometimes, you know, a player has been sent in our life so that they see our loyalty and they change. It will take time, of course, it will take time, but they will change with time. I don't see a selfish or a narcissist person here. I see a person who is helpless, like they have some sort of addictions because of which they keep on doing the same things again and again, and you're like tired of giving them chances, you know, so many chances, not just one. For some of you, I literally feel that you're dealing with somebody, you've given them a lot of chances in the past, and this person is still the same, okay? But I don't know, for whoever this reading is, I feel that this person is coming back to you, and they're changing, you know. I see a lot of changes. This person is changing for good. I'm not saying it will happen in a day, in a month, but they are going through this process. For some of you, yes, this person who is coming to you is already a changed person. This person feels guilty. Yes, this person does feel guilty for ghosting you, leaving you in middle, and I think this person will try to win you back, Leos. Be ready. Look at this. This person wants a fresh new beginning with you. Bottom of the deck. Okay. Let's see. What do we have for you here, Leo? This person has been hit by karma. It is like whatever they did to you has happened to this person now. Let's see. What do we have for my Leo? What do we have for my Leo? Please give me a message. Okay. Pay attention to red flags. I told you this person betrayed you, cheated you. There is somebody else in this person's life. because of which they ghosted you, they left you. For some of you, this is like you have to focus on your health. Maybe you are recovering or you're not well. Okay, this could be that you're healing emotionally, physically, and you need to take care of your health for the others of you. But yes, this person is somebody who, yeah, chemistry. Didn't I say there is a strong chemistry? This person feels it. It's not just this person. I feel that you both know that there is a strong chemistry. It is like you both are divinely guided, but this person has a player nature attached to them, because of which, and you know, this card is also trying to tell you, pay attention to the red flags. But I don't see this is like a major warning here. Okay, I don't see a major warning here. This person is somebody who will change, and or for some of you, this is a person who is coming back to you, but they already changed. Okay, they're changing for good. It may take time, but this person is changing. It is like they're realizing lot many things in life. They are realizing a lot. They have been through a lot. This person is very lonely without you. They are not happy. They may not show it to you, but this person feels very lonely. They have realized that you are everything that they ever wished for. They cannot live without you because this person feels lonely, very lonely, and they have realized that their life is nothing without you. You know, otherwise this person would not have come back to you like this. Look at this, and where is this? See, Fool here. Okay, and look at this. They are going to come rushing to you. Any other message? So let's see. Some of you, I feel that you are done giving chances to this person. Now you're going to make a major decision, like should you accept this person or not. Some of you, you may choose to move on. You never know. Like some of you, you may give this person a chance, a second chance, but for others of you, I feel that you may think of walking out of this relationship. That is also the possibility here. So let's see, any message for my Leos. Whatever it is, you will have a choice whether to accept this person or not, but yeah, they are coming back for sure. You feel this person has been controlling, dominating, not for all, but yes, for some of you. Maybe this person is involved somewhere else, Leos. They are still, could be you are dealing with somebody who is already married. Yeah, codependency and engagement. Some of you, this is, as I said, addictions are affecting your romantic life. I said that your person is involved in something else. Like I think this person has some addiction. Okay, that is one thing, because of which this person keeps cheating on you. Now you have a choice whether to accept or move on. That's your call, but I certainly feel that some of you, you have this love for this person, deep love, so you may accept this person back, and you may land up being engaged or married to this person soon, because I see a 50-50% scenario. Some of you, you may accept this person. For the others of you, you may choose to leave this person because you're done with their drama, so you may choose to leave this person. But you have a choice, Leos. You have a choice. So that was that, Leo. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. So that was that. You guys take care, be safe, bye.